Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to link your Etsy shop on Instagram step by step. First, make sure your Instagram account is a business account. If it isn't, create or log into a Facebook account at business.facebook.com and set up a business profile. Next, link your Etsy shop to Instagram via Facebook Business Manager. Go to Facebook Business Manager, open Business Settings, and click Domains. Choose Add and enter your Etsy shop name in the format yourshopname.etsy.com. Copy the meta tag line provided. Open Etsy Shop Manager, go to Settings, then Facebook Shops, and paste the meta tag. Return to Facebook Business Manager to make sure your shop shows as verified. Then, add your products to the Facebook catalog. Go to Commerce, Catalog, Items, Add Items. Copy product details from Etsy and use yourshopname.etsy.com for the URLs. Once products are in the catalog, you are ready to connect Instagram. On Instagram, go to Settings and Privacy, then Business, Shopping, Website. Enter your Etsy shop domain as before. Instagram will show in review while they approve your domain. Once approved, you can tag products in posts and stories using the Tag Products button. You can also add your Etsy shop link to your Instagram bio. Go to your Etsy shop page, copy the URL, open Instagram, select Edit Profile, paste the URL in the website field, and save. Followers can now click the link directly from your bio. If available in your region, you can also add a View Shop button to your profile. Send a request from your Etsy shop to link to Instagram, then accept the notification on your profile. And that's it. Your Etsy shop is now connected to Instagram, allowing you to tag products and drive traffic from your posts and bio. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want to learn next.